Hey yo guys, what's happening? It's your boy here to be Apex, coming back at you with another YouTube video. Today we have 4 packs to open, 2 rare golds and 1 gold pack and 1 premium gold pack. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment what you want to see next. So let's get into these packs. Good job. I'm not singing now. Watch this now, it just crashes on me. I think my Xbox has crashed on me. Game's crashed. My game's crashed. Oh, I'm trying to do a YouTube video, my game just crashes. Oh, this is not good. I'm still not happy. I might have still put it up, to be honest. Oh. It has as well, my games have just crashed. Why would it do that? Oh well guys, looks like we only got into 1 pack. Back at you in about 5 minutes. Don't forget, like, subscribe, comment what you want to see, comment what you want to see next.